Hello. Welcome to Sunshine Cafe. What can I get for you today?
Hi there. I'm not sure yet. Could you help me choose something?
Of course. Are you looking for something sweet or savory?
Maybe something sweet? But not too sugary, please.
Okay, our fruit tart is very popular. It has fresh berries and light cream.
That sounds perfect. And what drinks do you recommend with it?
Many customers enjoy our vanilla latte. It's not too strong.
Great. I'll have the fruit tart and a vanilla latte then.
Excellent choice. For here or to go?
I'll have it here, thank you. By the way, do you have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, we do. The password is Sunshine123. I'll bring your order soon.
Wonderful. Thank you for your help.
Welcome to Burger Express. What can I get started for you today?
Hi. I'd like a cheeseburger meal, please.
Great choice. Would you like the regular size or large size for your meal?
Regular size is fine, thank you.
Okay. And what drink would you like with that? We have cola, lemonade, or orange soda.
I'll have cola, please.
Sure thing. Would you like any extra toppings? Onions or pickles?
No, thank you. Just the regular cheeseburger.
Perfect. Your total comes to $8.75. Will you be paying with cash or card?
I'll pay with my card, please. Here you go.
Thank you. I'll just swipe that for you. All done. Your order number is 27.
Thank you. Where should I wait?
Please wait right over there by the pickup counter. We'll call your number when it's ready.
Okay, sounds good. Have a nice day.
You too. Enjoy your meal. Hello. Welcome to our diner. My name is Tom. I'll be your waiter today.
Hi Tom. Nice to meet you. This is my first time here.
Great. Let me tell you about our specials. Today we have delicious chicken pasta and fresh beef burger.
Oh, both sound good. Can I see your menu, please?
Of course. Here you go. Take your time to look.
Thank you. I think I'll try the beef burger.
Good choice. Would you like fries or salad with that?
I'll have fries, please. And can I get a lemonade too?
Sure. Any dessert for you later? Our apple pie is very popular.
That sounds nice. Maybe I'll decide after my meal.
Okay. Your order is one beef burger with fries and a lemonade. I'll be back soon with your drink.
Perfect. Thank you, Tom. Hello. Could I please order a drink and something small to eat?
Good morning. Of course. What kind of drink would you like? We have coffee, tea, and cold drinks.
I think I'll have a latte, please. Is it possible to get it without milk?
Yes, absolutely. We have oat milk. Would you like your latte hot or iced?
Hot, please. And for food, what pastries do you have today?
Today we have blueberry muffins, chocolate croissants, and cinnamon rolls. They're all very fresh.
Oh, a blueberry muffin sounds perfect. I'll take one of those.
Great choice. So that's one hot oat milk latte and one blueberry muffin. Anything else for you?
No, that's all for now. Thank you. How much will that be?
That will be $7.50, please. Would you like to pay with card or cash?
Card, please. Here you go.
Thank you very much. Your order will be ready in about 5 minutes. We'll call your name when it's done.
Wonderful, thank you. My name is Emma.
Got it, Emma. Your latte and muffin will be ready soon. Have a lovely morning.
You too. I'll just sit at that table over there while I wait. Hello, is this Burger Express? I'd like to place an order for delivery.
Yes, this is Burger Express. What can I get for you today?
I want the classic cheeseburger meal, please. With French fries and a soda.
Okay, one classic cheeseburger meal. What size for the fries and drink?
Medium fries and a large cola, please. Can I get extra ketchup?
Sure thing. Anything else? Maybe a dessert or salad?
No thank you, that's all. How much will it be?
Your total is $12.50. May I have your address for delivery?
It's 123, Maple Street, apartment 4B. The door code is 5678 #.
Got it. Your food will arrive in about 30 minutes. Thank you for ordering.
Perfect. I'll be waiting. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Enjoy your meal.
Hi there. Can you tell me about your tacos today?
Sure thing. We have chicken, beef, and vegetarian options. All come with fresh salsa and guacamole.
That sounds yummy. What's in the vegetarian one?
It's grilled vegetables, peppers, onions, and zucchini. Very popular.
Okay, I'll try that please. Just one taco.
Great choice. Would you like mild or spicy salsa?
Mild, please. And do you have any drinks?
Yes, we have soda, water, and fresh lime juice.
Lime juice sounds perfect. How much is everything?
That'll be $8 total. Your food will be ready in 3 minutes.
Okay, thank you. I'll wait here.
Here you go. One veggie taco with mild salsa and lime juice. Enjoy.
It looks delicious. Have a nice day.
You too. Come back soon.
Good evening, sir and madam. Welcome to La Belle Époque. May I offer you our wine list to start?
Thank you. Could you recommend a white wine? Something not too sweet, please.
Certainly, sir. Our Chardonnay has lovely citrus notes, very refreshing. Or perhaps the Sauvignon Blanc for a crisper taste.
The Sauvignon Blanc sounds perfect. We'll have a bottle of that, please.
Excellent choice. Would you like to hear our specials while you look at the menu?
Yes, please tell us about the specials. We're curious.
Tonight we have roasted duck with cherry reduction, and a sea bass served on saffron risotto. Both are exceptional.
The sea bass sounds wonderful. Could you tell me if it contains dairy? I have a slight allergy.
The risotto does have Parmesan, madam. Shall I ask the chef to prepare it without cheese?
Oh yes, that would be very kind. Thank you for checking.
I think I'll have the duck special. And we'd both like to start with the garden salad.
Very good, sir. 1 garden salad, 1 dairy-free sea base, and the duck. Your wine will arrive shortly.
Thank you so much. Everything sounds delightful.
My pleasure. I'll be right back with your salads and wine. Enjoy your evening.
Hi. I want 1 combo meal, please.
Sure. Which combo number would you like? We have numbers 1 through 5.
Combo number 3 looks good. Is that the burger with fries?
Yes, combo 3 is the cheeseburger with medium fries and a medium drink. Is that for here or to go?
To go, please. Can I have extra ketchup packets?
Of course. Your total is $8.49. Please drive to the first window.
Okay, thank you. Good evening, sir. Welcome to Le Jardin. May I bring you our menu?
Yes, please. That would be lovely. Do you have any specials this evening?
We certainly do. May I recommend tonight's featured dish? It's the herb-crusted salmon with seasonal vegetables.
That sounds excellent. I believe I shall start with the wild mushroom soup as well.
An excellent choice, sir. Would you care for sparkling or still water with your meal?
Still water is fine, thank you. May I see the wine list?
Of course. I will bring the wine list immediately. Please take your time deciding. Hello. I'd like to order a cappuccino, please.
Great choice. Let me help with pronunciation. It's cappuccino. Notice the stress on P, cappuccino. Try it?
Cappuccino? Did I say it right?
Almost. The CH sounds like CH in cheese. So it's chi, not chi. Listen, cappuccino.
Ah, cappuccino. Like cheese?
Perfect. Now, for espresso, it's espresso, not espresso. The S is soft, espresso.
Espresso. Got it. What about croissant?
Nice one. It's French, so we say croissant. The R is soft, and son rhymes with John. Croissant.
Croissant, like son with a soft R?
Exactly. You're doing great. Last tip, water sounds like water, with a clear T, not water. Practice makes perfect.
Excuse me, I have a small question about the bill.
Of course, madam. How can I help you?
I noticed there's no service charge added here. Back home, it's often included automatically.
Ah, I see. Here, restaurants usually don't add service fees to the bill. Tips are left separately.
That's different. How much is considered a normal tip here?
For good service, 15 to 20% of the total bill is customary. But it's always your choice.
Okay, thank you. And is tipping the same for fast food places too?
Actually, no. For fast food or coffee shops, tipping isn't expected. Maybe just small change in a tip jar sometimes.
That's good to know. So, only for sit-down restaurants like this?
Yes, exactly. Full-service restaurants where waitstaff serve you at the table.
Perfect. Thank you so much for explaining. You've been very helpful.
You're very welcome. Enjoy the rest of your evening.
Hello. I want one burger and one cola.
Sure. Would you like a meal combo? It comes with fries and saves you $2.
Oh, no. I don't want fries. Just burger and drink.
Okay, no problem. What size for your cola? We have small, medium or large.
Size? Small is okay.
Great. Will that be for here or to go?
For here? I eat here. Yes.
Perfect. Your total is $8.75. Please insert your card when ready.
Sorry, cash only? I have cash.
Cash is fine too. $8.75 whenever you're ready.
Here is $10.
Thank you. Here's your change, $1.25. Your order number is 45. We'll call you when it's ready.
Call me? But I am here. Can I just wait?
Of course. Just wait near the pickup counter. We'll say number 45 when your food is ready.
Okay, thank you. I understand now. Alright everyone, time to practice what we learned. Let's recap ordering in 5 places: fast food, coffee shop, pizza place, sushi restaurant, and fine dining.
Okay, teacher. First, fast food. I say, hi. Can I get a cheeseburger and small fries, please? Then they ask, for here or to go?
Perfect. And you answer.
To go, please. Then they tell the price, that's $5.49. I pay and say, thank you.
Excellent. Now, coffee shop. How do you order a latte?
Good morning. I'd like a medium latte, please. With almond milk if possible. The barista might ask, hot or iced?
And you say,
Hot, please. Then they say, name for the order? I answer, Lisa. Easy.
great job. Pizza place next. What if you want pepperoni pizza?
Hi. I want to order a large pepperoni pizza for delivery. They ask, address and phone number? I tell them. Then, 30 minutes, thank you.
Yes. Now sushi restaurant. Remember to be polite?
Hello. We'd like a table for 2, please. Then later, can we order the salmon roll and tempura, please? The server might say, anything else?
And you reply,
No, thank you. That's all for now. When finished, we say, check, please, and pay at the counter.
perfect. Last one, fancy dinner. How do you ask for the menu?
Good evening. Could we see the wine list, please? Then ordering, I'll have the grilled salmon with vegetables. They might ask, how would you like that cooked?
And you answer,
Medium, please. After eating, we say, could we get the bill, please, and leave a tip. Done.
wow, you remembered everything. Fantastic practice today. Now you're ready to order food anywhere.
Yes. Thank you, teacher. This was super helpful and fun.